This is the list, updated list of people who confirmed that I, as citizen, and in general I'm a citizen, can act as as state prosecutor when prosecutor ignores his or her crime report or crime complaint, like people say in United States. This is short version for the thumbnail of this video, and this is a detailed version that I'm going to comment. So actually there is not much to comment. I explained everything that needed to be explained. So these are people that I explicitly addressed, different all of them, almost all of them are different professions, except these two which are lawyers, but this is lawyer of the bank, so it's a bit different, and this is lawyer of one of the she works in the office of one of the most prominent lawyers in Serbia, which can be seen here. Details are here in this video, and I will of course open these videos. So this list, part of it is shown in this video, which is the video of email I sent to banks, several banks in Serbia. I asked info on money stolen from my household by monstrous murderer of my family. So I updated this list now. So it has now 9 people. Yeah, 9 people. And this is in chronological order. So first one is Doris Eerhart. She's Senior International Forensic Advisor, so International Forensic Advisor, Scientific Support Coordinator, Netherlands Ministry of Security and Justice. She ignored my claims on acting as state prosecutor. I don't know. Well, this will be opening Chrome. I want to open it in Chrome, but in incognito mode. So this is the video, but I don't know if I mentioned Doris Eerhart here. No, I need to add this to mention her explicitly. Next up, Police Internal Affairs. It should be affairs here. Officer Jerkovic confirmed citizen can act as state prosecutor. So explicitly confirmed. I think he's the only one who confirmed. This is high rank police officer, because only people who studied police academy can be in internal affairs. So when so he confirmed that citizen can act as state prosecutor when prosecutor ignores him, not when prosecutor gives up, state prosecutor gives up the prosecution. That was on 29th of September 2018 in a 2018 in a telephone conversation the day after my father was murdered, should be, but okay, euthanized in the general hospital in General Hospital in Smederevo by Dr. Stanisavljević in extended care. Email to the Internal Affairs of the police dated January 15th of January 2019.3. Okay, this is not needed. So this is the folder SUKP, which stands for Sector for Internal Affairs. This is what they're called. and I need picture 1 and point 3. What the hell? I cannot open it for some reason. Yeah. Okay, so processing problem. So it says here 15th of January 2019. This is point 3. So point 3. Close this, and I can close this one as well. So point 3. Next up, the same point, same email as in previous point. In 2. So the professor who teaches the aforementioned law on criminal proceedings, actually criminal proceedings, right, from the Faculty of Law in Novi Sad, Serbia, was unable to explain why the section on ignoring the criminal report is not in the criminal procedural law. Should be right here. Actually law, yeah, nor whether it was removed, actually both law and right, nor whether it was removed from the new edition of the criminal procedure law. Okay, should be right here, and this is law. So this is the key point here of the whole thing with acting as when you as a citizen act as state prosecutor. So the whole point here is that this part is illegally removed from both criminal processing okay, this is law and this is right. So this is the whole point. The other case, when prosecutor gives up prosecution, and in that case also citizen can act as a state prosecutor, is there. So it's there, it's in criminal procedural law. It's not removed, but the other part is removed, which is more important. So because that would mean that the public prosecutor has absolute power and it does not answer to anyone, which is unacceptable. The same as, so basically prosecutor acts as court and jury, the same as the case with the lawyer of the website paragraph. So I gave up on asking for an explanation on that same email as in previous point. So same email, same point 3. And let's see what I want. Yeah, I just wanted to, I didn't add this lawyer of paragraph because I have 2 lawyers already. So paragraph is popular site that has all sort of, so this is for instance a law on criminal procedure, and it can be seen here paragraph. So this is the first result in search. or if I search for crime law or crime code, they are also giving her here as first results. So very popular site. Okay, so next one, this is important. President of the elementary court Dragan Rogan never answered my question on citizen acting as state prosecutor when prosecutor ignores citizen crime report. Email on February 21st of February 2019, folder osnovniSD, elementary Smederevo, picture 10 and 11, and I now need to open this. So pictures 10, Okay. It needs some time to process it. Okay, I'll try this trick. So this is the part point 4. So up to the whole point 4, so I need to add this. Point 4, so below is the, so this is what stands in point 4. Below is the code that confirms that I have the right to take over criminal prosecution under certain conditions, and if this part was removed from the latest version of the criminal procedure law, it was done unfounded because it must exist both in aforementioned law and the law on criminal procedure. This should be actually criminal procedure right, as in human right. Otherwise, the prosecutor is given unlimited power, which is unacceptable for anyone, not just the prosecutor, and I will file criminal charges against everyone involved in getting this piece out. It must be valid for all types of criminal proceedings, not only for abbreviated criminal proceedings. So criminal proceedings law special edition. Professor Zagor Kajakic, Belgrade 2006, page 19, 1.2.4 procedural significance of the crime report. So I'm not going to explain everything. I just give that part because I explained that in other videos. So basically this gives details on both cases when a prosecutor ignores crime report and when prosecutor gives up prosecution. So next up is so this is not just Dragan Ogen is not just a judge, but he's also president of elementary court. So this is a scandal on its own that he didn't answer such an important question. So crash courses, because I consider police officers courses a crash courses, and I also consider police academy and military academy crash course. I mean, not just me, but every serious people that I know. So crash courses, police officer Stanislavich, I don't know his name, on 29th of May 2022 from Smederevo Police Department, from whom I received death threats. He said he will call an ambulance in my backyard as I invoked a part of criminal law on the basis of which I assume the role of prosecutor when he ignores me, not when he gives up criminal prosecution. Then I give again this reference. So then Chief Supreme Prosecutor Zagor Kadolovac ignored me when I explicitly addressed her multiple times on this matter. So this is the video. Next up, lawyer Alexander Zlatic didn't complain when I said I can act as state prosecutor. Actually, she first yelled, but when I explained what the whole thing is about, she didn't complain, didn't say it's not true, and so on and so on. So she works at the office of one of the most prominent lawyers in Serbia, Zora Dobričanin. This is the video and explanation or description. This is also important. So Vladislava Dragišić, contact center OTP Bank, Hungary based, refused to confirm or deny that I'm acting as state supreme prosecutor. So this is email on 23rd of October for 10:08 p.m. time is important because I think that there was two answers within the same day from her. She has answered second time. When I mentioned I will contact Hungarian ambassador, and I will do that. So this is the video and the description. So it's bizarre. Her answer is bizarre because she first stated they cannot give me information on money stolen from my household by monstrous murder of my family, but then she said she cannot either confirm or deny my claims that I'm acting as state prosecutor, which is, I don't know, doesn't really make sense. And finally, Ivana Petrovic, senior legal advisor for complaints management, legal affairs department, Erste Bank, Austria-based, office in Novi Sad, Serbia. Ignore my question regarding acting as state, or more precisely, Supreme Prosecutor. Email on 2nd of November 2023. And this is final. So that's the email. That's video of that email, and this is description of the video. So that would be all. I will most likely create video on why the problem with acting as state prosecutor when citizen acting as state prosecutor, when prosecutor ignores them, why this problem exists. And as can be seen here, the problem exists because that part is removed on purpose from related law and rights. So right is something that I will add this to the description of this video. So right is something that's based on law. So criminal procedure law have criminal procedure right, which defines right of people who are involved in criminal proceedings. So right as in human right. So I'm just going to copy this, but okay, I will do this later when I start uploading the video. So that was all regarding people who confirmed either by ignoring me, or actually the only one who confirmed directly that citizen can act as prosecutor when prosecutor ignores him was this guy, police internal affairs officer, high rank officer Jerkovic. Other ones confirmed that by and also this professor didn't know to explain. Other ones confirmed that by ignoring me, or by refusing to confirm or denying that explicitly, like this lady Vladislava Dragicic. So that would be all on this matter for now. I need to, of course, create a few more videos on this matter, shorter ones, of course, when I will point out some things that are not mentioned in criminal proceedings right when this part existed. But regarding this list, I think I mentioned everything. If I haven't, I will add, as for all other videos, if I miss something, I will add it to the description, as I always do.